Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at McDonald's. First, ensure your Apple device, whether it's your iPhone or Apple Watch, is fully set up with your preferred payment card in the Wallet app. Next, when you're ready to pay for your delicious meal, simply look for the contactless payment reader at the McDonald's counter or drive-thru window. Finally, you'll authenticate your purchase quickly and securely using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode, making your transactions smooth and efficient. Setting up Apple Pay is a breeze and only takes a few moments. Begin by opening the Wallet application on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then, tap the small plus sign located in the upper right corner to add a new credit or debit card. You can easily scan your card or enter the details manually. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank, which usually involves a quick text message or phone call. Once verified, your card is ready for use. When you're ready to pay for your McDonald's order, simply tell the crew member you'd like to use Apple Pay. For iPhone users, hold the top of your device within a few centimeters of the contactless reader while keeping your finger on Touch ID or looking at Face ID. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button and then hold the watch display near the reader. You'll feel a gentle vibration and hear a chime, confirming your payment has been successfully processed. It's that quick and easy. To ensure a smooth experience, always confirm that the McDonald's location accepts contactless payments. Look for the Apple Pay or Universal Contactless symbol. Make sure your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled and that your desired payment card is selected in your Wallet app. If you encounter any issues, try selecting a different card, or as a last resort, restart your device. Most importantly, don't hesitate to ask a McDonald's crew member for assistance if you need it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.